Welcome to the tour of the Relativity User Documentation site. Over the next few minutes, I'll share some tips on navigating the site. On the landing page, you can find links to feature documentation, certification exam resources, and quick reference guides, recipes, and white papers. To see what's new in Relativity, click What's New. This page is updated with each new release of Relativity. To view release notes for a Relativity release, click Release Notes. The Release Notes table contains release notes for every supported Relativity release. Click any of the table headings to sort the table. You can also filter for release notes from a specific Relativity version, type, or feature. Using the search bar, enter specific terms to search the site. Click the filter icon to refine your search to a subsection of the doc site, such as processing or legal hold. To switch between documentation for different Relativity versions, click the version drop-down and then select the Relativity version. If you have any questions or feedback about the documentation, feel free to click the bar at the bottom of any page to contact documentation@relativity.com. Thanks for watching!